Hi, I'm Kevin West. I'm with Tuff Country Easy Ride Suspensions. Here at SEMA show. We've got a couple new products to display for you. We got our new 4-inch JL kit. Actually has upper lower easy flex control arms. It's got our new gyro joint, and it's on all upper and lower control arms. Full suspension, coils all the way around, and able to fit 40s all the way. Over here we've got our new 6-inch F-150 kit. Fits from 9 to current. Spindle design, fitting 37-inch tires. Grab that right down there in the front. And this year, new at SEMA, we've got our new Airbag Kit, leveling solution system. Fits all the major current brands, Chevy, Ford, Dodge, even Toyota. Available right now, shipping, and we do have our own compressor kits available as well.
What's the trailer?
All made in the USA products, nothing's imported. Full line, and they come with our optional airbag spacers to fit with the lift kits. That's our new stuff. That's our new products for this year at SEMA.